Bruxelles, ville gastronomique et capitale de la Belgique et de l'Union européenne. Un diplomate japonais est arrivé dans cette ville. Il s'appelle Yasushi Masaki. Il est l'ambassadeur de la mission permanente du Japon auprès de l'Union européenne. Nous l'appelons familièrement McKee. McKee se donne pour mission d'initier ses amis et amis européens et européennes aux délicieuses spécialités japonaises, à l'histoire et à la culture de son pays.
Now, I'd like to introduce you to Kume-Jima Island of Okinawa Prefecture, where the miso we use today was made. As I mentioned before, Okinawa consists of many remote islands and the main island. Kume-Jima is one of the remote islands east of the main island of Okinawa, but only 40 minutes by plane from Naha City. The island has a long history as has a self-sufficient island. It is said that tsumungi, one of the most famous kimonos, is the oldest in Japan, and the technique used to make tsumungi was developed on this island in the latter half of the 15th century, using sericultural techniques from China, which later spread throughout Japan. Kume-Jima tsubugi is produced by dyeing threads made of cotton from silkworms with natural plants, trees, and mud from the island, and then painstakingly weaving them by hand. Traditionally, one weaver does all these processes by hand. The miso we use today was also traditionally made on the island in the past, using ingredients including rice, which were produced entirely on this island. Kume-Jima Island is also famous for its awamori, Okinawan sake, which was entirely made with ingredients found on the island. Although this has now changed, this culture of self-sufficiency is at the heart of Kume-Jima. From the very beginning, Kume-Jima was anticipating the SDGs, which are currently being advocated. Even today, the island's miso and awamori are mostly consumed on the island, and the surplus is exported to the main island. So everyone, please visit Kume-Jima Island and enjoy this island's SDG-friendly culture with your own eyes. There are many more SDGs elements in Okinawa. I will introduce them maybe next time. Alors, c'est fini pour aujourd'hui. Nous continuerons à introduire plats et cultures liés aux ingrédients de chaque région du Japon. Au revoir tout le monde, sayonara et à bientôt.